Hi guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. How y'all doing? It's your girl Raquel, aka Lilcutenurse, and I'm back y'all with another video. I got my premium Boxycharm box we gonna be unboxing, and I keep forgetting. I don't know. I keep thinking everybody and their mama know about Boxycharm, but I noticed in some of the reviews everybody don't. But for those who don't, Boxycharm is a monthly beauty subscription, y'all. You get the base box, the smaller box, for $25 a month. And you can get, I think it's up to $130 worth of product for that $25. They have the premium box. It's $35 a month, and I don't remember the value. I think it's up to $200. And then every 3 months, you can get the Luxe box. It's $49 a month. And I surely don't remember the value for that, but it's only every 3 months. Next month will be the Luxe box. Now, this is my premium box unboxing. Did I do that right, y'all? Okay, y'all, we're going to unbox my premium box. If everybody that's been on my channel know what's going on, y'all know I'm a nurse and I do a lot of sporadic contracts. I missed October box because I was away. Y'all, it was beat up. This is how it came. I didn't do this. It's still not open. It's still sealed. But it was beat up when I came back on the porch. I guess it took a beating in the shipping. But this is my October box. We're going to unbox that second because not everybody wants to see that. We're going to get into this November box first. If y'all want to see it, keep on watching and we're going to get at it. Let's just cut it open. Hello, Charmers. I'm so excited. Y'all, I cannot wait to see what Boxycharm is coming with. Boxycharm and IPSY smashed together. A lot of people were saying they didn't know that yesterday from that video. And yes, y'all, they came together. I cannot wait to see the outcome. I haven't gotten a notification about my IPSY this month. I wonder, is IPSY going to go away, or I don't know, y'all. But we're gonna stay tuned and see what it is. The first thing I see here is the card. And this is Boxycharm Harvest. And y'all, this is premium. You see inside the box it says premium, so it lets us know which box we have. And the very first thing I see sitting on top, y'all, I guess that was to protect it. They put it on top. Is a Illamasqua Unveiled palette. That's what it says. And this palette cost $55. Now Illamasqua is a little expensive. I have, okay, that's a moisturizer by Illamasqua that I got a while ago that I'm looking at over there in a Boxycharm box, but I don't think I have anything else by Illamasqua. But I know they, you know, they kind of up there in price. Oh, I got a mascara. I got a mascara by Illamasqua too. Y'all, I'm sweating. Hold on 1 minute. I gotta turn on some. Ooh, wee. Okay, y'all, as I was saying, I got this Hydra Veil. This came in an old Boxycharm box and I like it. It's a gel moisturizer, or it's supposed to be a veil like primer from Illamasqua. I've been using it since the middle part of this year. I haven't used it up, but I'm going to use it up. Anyway, now we got the Illamasqua palette, and I did get a mascara, y'all, but I couldn't find it. This is what the palette looks like. It's cute. It's got that velvety touch, you know, like everything that NARS has. And, oh, that's cute. That's what the shadows look like. That's cute. Really natural. Of course, there's no names on the palette. It's just a bald-headed palette. But that's fine as long as the colors are good. So we'll see. We'll see. I'm not mad at that. Nice natural nude look, and I love the way it feels. Okay, the next thing, let's get rid of the packaging, y'all. This box is really, it looks really thin. Since this is hanging on, let's see what it is. Dose of Colors. Caffeine Queen, that's what it says. What is this? Let me open it up. Trying to look for it on here. Dose of Color Block Party Single Eyeshadow. That's what the front looks like. It says that this is $20. And it's Caffeine Queen. That's what it looks like. Y'all ignore my nails. I took off my little glue on nails and they look rough. Let me swatch that right there. Oh, that's a nice little brown. Dookie brown. Not a lot of color. I don't know. Maybe a shadow on top of another shadow that might be good, but we'll see. I know I didn't buy any of those when they originally came out. The next thing I see is some brushes. This box is really light and feel really empty. These are some cosmetics brushes. Let's see. This is what they look like. That's a, it seems like maybe for a face mask or some kind of exfoliator you would do. Can y'all see that? Yeah. I need to put some lotion on these dry hands. And this other brush, what does it say? Cosmetic Skin Set Brush. Take cleansing to the next level with this embossed brush designed to gently exfoliate and effective deep pore cleansing. Oh, okay. This is for facial cleansers because this brush is super stiff. It's for facial cleansers and synthetic. So that might work, and then you could just scrub your exfoliator with this. But I use my Michael Tide Claire, you know, it's not really, I want to call it Clarisonic, but it's kind of like it. Since my Clarisonic quit, the Michael Tide's still going strong. I use that. So, yeah, we got these brushes, and they say this is $25 for the 2 cleansing brushes. Oh, used to apply cream, exfoliator, serum, or mask with unlimited precision and no mess. Okay, we'll see about that. The next thing I have in here is Real Hair Lip Duo. I am not excited at all about this month's $35 box. And I got 2 lip liners in my base box. Well, I guess you could say I got 2 more by Real Hair. These are the shadows. I mean, these are the colors. It says these are $25. Let's swatch one right there. And the other one right there. This $25 box is not, I mean $35 box is not as good as a $25 box. But I do like these shades. So I got 4 lip liners total this month. The next thing I see here is Glow Acclimates Detox Night Cream. Glow Acclimates. It says it's $125 peptide cleanser. Yeah, right. Night cream. Okay, this is what it looks like. This advanced detoxifying night cream is formulated with, let me get it where y'all can see this $125 cream. Detoxifying night cream is formulated with a complex blend of peptides and something that I can't say, vitamin C, hyaluronics, fatty acids. Anyway, they detox and rejuvenate the skin, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, resulting in radiant, youthful skin. $125. Apply after cleansing your face. Okay. Alright, Acclimist Detoxifying Night Cream. We'll see. I'm not cheery. I'm not too cheery. And the last thing I see here is this Ilia Color Block High Impact lipstick. And it says this lipstick is $28. It's a lipstick. That's the color. It's sweating a little bit. I don't know what that is. Did that go away? And it don't really stink. It's not like, oh, lipstick. I don't know. We'll see. That's what it looks like. This box, if you can't tell, I'm not extremely happy about it. It's, to me, my $25 base box was way better than this month's premium box. Not at all worth it at all. And I'll put a little retail value of everything in the box. I didn't get one thing that made me feel like, okay, that was worth my $35. Maybe the palette. Maybe the palette will be worth my $35, but I'm not uber excited, stupid excited about it. But anyway, let's move on. We all have those months and get those boxes. So let's keep moving. Yeah, now this is my October box, the one that I did receive, but I wasn't home. I was away out of town working. If y'all want to keep watching and see what I got in my October's premium box, let's get at it, y'all. Oh, okay. As yesterday, the box was Candy Shop. I guess that was the theme for October. And I see cores right on top, so I'm excited about this $35 I spent already. The first thing I see is Tinted Face Oil by Kosas, and this tinted face oil was $42. I have had this in my cart, out my cart, in my cart, and finally I took it out my cart when I saw it on coming out as a spoiler for Boxycharm. This is what it looks like. Supposed to be a tinted face oil, like you can just put this oil on and there's no need for foundation. Mine is sucked in. Y'all see that? Or is this the way the bottle made? You know how it look like it's air? I guess that's the way the bottle made because it didn't come out. Oh yes it is. Now it's expanding. That's weird. Okay. Okay. I guess I need to shake it up. Let's see what this looks like. Okay, looks like I grabbed the right color. It looks like a face oil. That's going to be a little bit too red. But, oh, okay. My hand looks smooth. Oily skin and an oil. I'm going to have to give this a try, y'all, and let y'all know. But as far as, you know, not putting on any makeup but having smooth skin, that's why I want to try this. So, I'm going to have to let y'all know about this. I got mine at 8.2. This was a choice item, and I do remember choosing it because I was so curious about getting this. I just don't want to pay the $42 for it. The next thing I have here is Kosa Lip Sport. That's what it says. Let's see. Kosa's Lip Sport. It says it's $18. An ultra hydrating hyaluronic lip balm delivering advanced lip care. Okay. Okay. That's a little, I like the way it is. Y'all ignore them hands. I done told you know what, I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna put some lotion on these hands real quick. Okay. Now, let's see what this looks like on the inside. Now I can't get it open because I got lotion on my hands. This is what the balm looks like. Oh, it smells kind of earthy. I thought it was minty, but it smells kind of earthy. I can't try it out, y'all, because I got on this lipstick. But I will let you know. And I do like the size of this. Is going directly in my purse right now. Okay, and I have been wanting to try some stuff by Kosas, but I never have. Now, I'm going to be checking out this lip balm. The next thing I have in here is Laura Geller 50 Kisses. That's what it says. Laura Geller 50 Kisses, $21. No more air kisses are more pigment form and stays true to soft shiny color. Lip locking. Let's see, is that supposed to stay peak for midnight smooch? We'll see. I gotta check this out. Let's see what this color looks like. You know, I really like that dose of color right there. That one by itself, that'll be pretty. Oh yes, that's a pretty color. I don't know how, you know, it's gonna matte up, but that is a pretty color. What shade is this? I haven't heard from Laura Geller in a while. Let's see, what shade is this? Make Out Merlot. Okay, because that is pretty. I like that. Okay, I like that lippy. I like that lippy and the foundation. So this box is a lot better than the first one to me because I got a few things that I really like. The next thing I have in here is exfoliating swipies. Foolproof exfoliating pads for glowing skin. Looks like it's 50 exfoliating wipes in here. And it says these single-use exfoliating pads soak in all natural solution, get rid of dead skin cells, and hydrate the skin. Okay, and they are $35. They have lactic acid, the most gentle AHAs that combined with ultra hydrating essential oils to create a face exfoliating that removes dead skin. That's what it says. That's what it says. I will be adding this to my skincare box and I will check them out when I get to them. So I'm not going to be opening them, y'all. Now I have too much stuff open at once. So, yeah, we will see. $35. They're putting way more skincare in these boxes than they used to. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. And the next thing, I had to say that. The next thing I have is a Murad Hydrating Toner. I like Murad, so I won't be mad about this. But y'all know I'm stocked on toner from the previous sale. But we will see. This is Murad Hydrating, an extra hydrated alcohol-free toner. Instantly balances skin's natural pH, lifting impurities to enhance the benefits of treatment that follows. Sodium PHA helps replenish lost moisture, while chameleon and cucumber extract soothes the skin. $35. That's what it says. Okay, but it's Murad, and I won't complain because I do like Murad. I just haven't used it. Now I like the dry down. Y'all see that? That is pretty. That is pretty. I cannot wait to wear that. That's a pretty color. Okay. All right, Lord Geller. I just want you to know I see you. And the last thing I have in here is the Illuminate X Isabella by Duty. I don't know, y'all. This is the palette. And it says it's $48. Illuminati Cosmetics has collaborated with Isabella Bedoya for an ultra versatile palette. Create an evening glam look or perfect daytime look. The shades range from pastel to bright colors and nudes. There's a look for every person. $48. Okay, let's see here. That's the last thing in the box, y'all. This palette is wrapped in plastic, so let me cut this off. I'm pretty sure y'all already know what it looked like if y'all watched last month's other people's Boxycharm unboxing from last month. But I was working, y'all, so I didn't get to see them. So I'm going to just let this be a shock to me. And if the color's too vibrant, too Illuminati-ish looking, they go into my daughter. Oh, wow. Mine is broke. That pretty blue that would have been beautiful is shattered. Y'all see it? And it's all the way out the pan broke. That's what it looks like. Looks like they would have been cute shadows, but it's shattered. Oh well. I will put this up and let this go to my daughter. And yeah, this is the last thing I got in my box. And the bad as the box was beat up, I could imagine why this is broke. And since I didn't get to open it last month, I won't even bother contacting Boxycharm because this is a month later. It is what it is. Okay, y'all, this is the end of this Boxycharm unboxing for my premium box for the month of November and October. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm a little sad about this palette, but it's okay. It's okay. It's alright. Okay, guys, I'm gonna tell y'all what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try to pour it back in there and set it back in place. Since I was able to get it all out, I'm talking again, huh? Y'all, I'm finna go. Y'all stay blessed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. This is a hot mess, but I tell you.